Get paid today, or get paid today, or get paid today? Question mark. Now, the thumbnail on this video was probably a little bit clickbait, and I'm not going to apologize for that because I am working from the inspiration tab inside of my YouTube channel, and I was inspired by this legit ways to make $100 a day online keyword and what people are watching. Understand that YouTube is telling me what you are watching. Laziest ways to make money online for beginners, new dumb easy way to make $100 to $200 a day online game changer, 7 websites that will pay you every day within 24 hours. That's usually a stretch. Quit your job and make $100 a day online with my secret method. Legit ways to make $100 online every day. So I go to Google. How can I make $100 today online? There are many ways to make $100 online, including rideshare driving, virtual assistant, writing, selling printables, other ways. So I scroll down past the generative AI experiment to look for some real information. Flip stuff for profit is number 8. Now, a lot of people, I think that if you have stuff, like if I was going to give this away, or maybe this lamp that I'm using here in my video, if I'm going to not give this away, but if I'm going to sell this stuff online on an online flipping site, like for example, What Now or Whatnot, and I took a look at flipping merch, and it's a site called Whatnot. It's this site where you can put your stuff up for sale or put things that you go and do, like arbitrage, where you go to like these discount bin places or flea markets or whatever, or maybe just go buy a bunch of stuff and you're like, I'm going to sell this and I'm going to do arbitrage where I'm going to buy low and sell high. This is a marketplace, and that's how it works. You can sell your stuff, but take note that even though you can sell your stuff, and they have a lot of rules here for you to be able to let people shop, if you go up here to become a seller and you actually take a look at receiving payments, when do I get paid out for an order? Sellers will normally receive payment for sold orders within 3 days, that's 72 hours, after the order is delivered to the buyer. This applies for both live sales and marketplace sales. So the idea here is they're cashing out after 3 days, 3 days after the order is delivered to the buyer. That means after they buy it, then after you ship it, because you have to go ship it, and that's part of what we're talking about here, going back to the inspiration, legit ways to make $100 a day online. And you go back to the ways, use food delivery apps, use get paid to websites. Most of these are just complete and total scams. Online freelancing, that means that you are providing a service. So for example, I provide services to people that are in my audience. There's links in the descriptions. You can check those services out. One of those is you can book a call with me. And yes, I'm actually going to get paid today because you click on that link, you pay me, you schedule the call, then we have the call. I actually get that money today in my Stripe account. But it takes time to get those things set up. So when you're looking at this and you go back to this inspiration, legit ways to make $100 online a day, that's what I talk about here. But I talk about it from the aspect of legit ways, and then I give you, and we'll set this up so I can mark this up for you. Inside of my affiliating profitable online business, I have a roadmap with the understanding that there are 3 pillars: traffic, offer, people, and these 3 pillars are required to build a profitable online business. So get paid today, get paid today. Get paid today? Question mark. No, you're not going to get paid today, but you're going to build a traffic source by picking a topic. Then you need some tools, some technology, and some time to put together some consistent content, like the content I'm putting together here. And then, if I provide a service to you, if you click the link in the description, you come over, you book a call with me, and you want to talk more about, say, this service, or you click the link in the description and you check out one of my products, one of my digital products, like, for example, the Affiliating Profitable Online Business, I have a membership that will take you through traffic, through offer, and through people, and it will ultimately show you how to build an email list, automate passive income, profit and scale your own online business, learning and understanding how affiliating works, to include a lot of other strategies and models that I teach inside of my membership area to legit make money online. Now, again, are you going to make money online today? Well, if you started yesterday, you might make money online today. The best time to plant an oak tree was 20 years ago. The next best time to plant that oak tree was today. The best time to start an online business was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. So if that's something that you want to do and you now understand that legit ways to make money online, there's a ton of them, but you have to pick one, and then you have to see if that strategy or that method following a proven strategy is something that you want to do. In my example, affiliating is all about getting started here on YouTube, picking a topic and creating helpful content that actually help people solve their problems. And then you as an affiliate provide a solution. They click your link in the description of your video. They go over, make a purchase. You earn a commission. You're looking at 30, 60, 90 days out typically to get that commission back, because that money has to clear, and the company that's selling that product, they have to make sure that money does clear, so then they can pay you and they don't have to worry about chargebacks, all those good kind of things when you're running a business. And then you create content and you just keep helping people, and you think, well, I'm going to get to $100 a day, and then tomorrow and the next day I'll make $100, $100, and then I will be making $100 a day based upon the work and the effort and the time and the focus that I applied to building a real profitable online business. And that, my friends, was my inspiration of the day, provided to you by my YouTube analytics from the content that I've created yesterday and the day before, or thinking, long term and creating content, and then YouTube showing me what it is you're watching, and then giving me more ways to help you with this video to show you that, yes, getting to $100 a day is possible by doing lots of things, but I have a proven strategy and it works. And if you want to check it out, link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one.